Welcome, dear students, in my course named Determinants of Quality Life. Today's topic is Foundations of Preventive Physical Health. Learning outcome of this module is explain the meaning and significance of preventive physical health in today's context. Identify the various levels and types of preventive health cares. Understand the essential components such as nutrition, exercise, and screening that form the foundation of preventive health. Analyze the role of lifestyle behavioral choices in maintaining long-term physical health. Discuss the challenges and practices in implementing preventive strategies across different populations. Introduction of preventive physical health. Preventive physical health refers to strategies, practices, and interventions that are aimed at preventing the onset of disease, reducing risk factors, and promoting overall well-being. Instead of focusing on treating diseases after they occur, preventive health emphasizes staying healthy and minimizing the chances of illness through proactive steps. This concept aligns with the World Health Organization's definition of health as not merely the absence of disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Preventive health is central to public health systems globally as it offers sustainable and cost-effective solutions to reduce the burden of chronic disease. Key component of preventive physical health. Key component is nutrition, immunizations, physical activity, sleep hygiene, regular screenings, and health. Nutrition. Now discuss about the nutrition. Consuming a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients support body function and reduces risk of chronic conditions like diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Immunizations, vaccinations provides protection against various infectious diseases and are a cornerstone of public health. Physical activity. Physical activity, regular physical exercise strengthens the cardiovascular system, improves muscular health, boosts immunity, and enhances mental well-being. Sleep hygiene. Quality sleep is critical for recovery, hormonal balance, and cognitive functions. Lack of sleep increases susceptibility of health issues. Regular screening. Regular health screening. Preventive screenings help in the early identifications of diseases, enabling timely interventions and better prognosis. Risk factor and modifiable behavior. First is sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity can lead to obesity, cardiovascular diseases, and poor mental health. Chronic stress. Long-term stress affects immunity, cardiovascular health, and sleep. Making healthier choices in these areas can significantly reduce health risks and improve quality of life. Tobacco and alcohol use. These substances are major contributors to preventable illness such as cancer, liver diseases, and respiratory problems. Unhealthy diet. High intakes of processed foods, sugars, and trans fats increases the risk of lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle medicines and preventive health. Nutrition. Whole food, plant, predominant eating patterns reduces the that is the cause of the preventive health, and restorative sleep, that is the quality sleep patterns and habit, substance avoidance, limiting risk substance like tobacco and alcohol, physical activity, regular movements and exercise routines, stress management, techniques to reduce and cope with stress, social connections, building and maintaining healthy relationships. Lifestyle medicine is a growing field that integrates preventive health into medical practices by emphasizing the modification of lifestyle behaviors. The 6 pillars of lifestyle medicine includes nutrition, as discussed above, nutrition, physical activity, restorative sleep, substance, stress management, and avoidance of risky substances, and nurturing social connection. Physicians and health practitioners are now focusing on the empowering patients to take charge of their health through sustainable lifestyle interventions rather than relying solely on the pharmaceutical solutions. Importance of public health and preventive health for specific groups. Public health impact. Preventive physical health is critical in shaping public health. Policies and outcomes of implementing preventive strategies leads to a reduction of disease prevalence, lowers health care costs, and enhances life expectancy. Community-based programs that promote physical activity and healthy eating can lead to improved health literacy and empower people to make informed decisions. Furthermore, preventive health is essential for sustainable development as it supports a healthier, more productive population. Age-specific preventive measures, children and adolescents, emphasis on immunization, physical activity, and balanced nutrition to support growth and development. Adult needs preventive care for stress management, workplace wellness, and regular screening for early detection of diseases. Older adults focus on fall preventions, bone health, cognitive health, and managing chronic illness such as arthritis or hypertension. Each stage of life offers opportunities to integrate preventive practices for enhanced healthy outcome. Role of education and awareness in prevention of health, that is school-based education. School and colleges can implement health education programs that teach students about preventive health practices from an early age. Community workshops. Community organizations can host workshops and peer-led interventions to spread awareness about preventive health measures. Digital health campaign. Digital platforms and social media can be leveraged to reach wider audiences with culturally sensitive and accessible health informations. Health education plays a vital role in successful implementation of preventive physical health measures. Schools, colleges, and community organizations can promote awareness through campaign, workshops, and peer-led interventions. Culturally, preventive actions, digital platforms, and social media have also emerged as powerful tools in spreading awareness on preventive health topics. Challenges in implementation. Challenges in implementation. First is socio-economic inequality. Low-income communities often lack access to healthy food, safe spaces for physical activities, and quality health care. Cultural belief and misinformation. Traditional beliefs and skepticism can impede vaccination drives or dietary changes. Healthcare accessibility. Rural and marginalized populations may not have regular access to preventive services. Policy gap. Weak enforcement of health policies and limited budget allocation further constrain preventive health initiatives. Conclusion. Reduce disease burden. Preventive approaches significantly decrease the prevalence of chronic and infectious diseases, enhance well-being, focus on prevention, improves quality of life and overall physical and mental health, increase longevity. Proactive health management leads to longer, healthier lives for individuals and community. Sustainable health care. Prevention-focused systems offer more cost-effective and sustainable approaches to public health. Preventive physical health is a powerful approach that can reduce disease burden, enhance well-being, and promote longevity. By focusing on healthy lifestyle, early detections, and proactive health management, individuals and communities can achieve better health outcomes. As healthcare systems evolve, prioritizing prevention over treatments offer a more sustainable and effective pathway to health for all. That is the references, and thank you